guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Glory here. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to click the subscribe button. When you do, please click the notification bell as well, just so you know whenever I upload a new video and you stay updated. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. If you would like to see how I achieved this ponytail, I'm going to upload a video soon, hopefully, but yeah. So yes, this is my hair. Yes, so we're going to go right straight to the video. Hi guys, now I'm going to start with my hair. I'm going to take down the twist. I washed my hair last night and moisturized it, so I'm just going to quickly take down the twist. Before I do that, I'm going to spray my hair with water, just so it's, you know, not so dry and yeah, it's easy to work with. So I got my spray bottle and now I'm just going to spray my hair with water. So I'm going to take down my twist and I'll be back to continue the video. So now I've detangled my hair, I'm going to start gelling it down. So the gel I'm going to be using today is the Eco Styler gel, the olive oil Eco Styler gel, this one. The other things I'm going to be using for this video would be a rat tail comb, a brush just to brush down my hair, a wide tooth comb, and my tangle teaser. So first off, I'm going to section the front part away from the rest of the hair. When I'm done with that, I'm going to spray some water on my hair just so it's not too dry, and then I'm going to detangle it a bit just so it's flat on my head. So for this part, because I want my puff to be a little bit high, I'm going to put the gel at the back of my head, so going upwards. I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to put the gel at the back of my head. I'm going to use my tangle teaser to just brush over it, and then I'm going to put that in a bun. Now that I've put that in a bun, I'm going to take down this part. Okay, so I'm really tired of talking, but you guys should just see me do what I'm doing. Okay, thank you. I feel like I have so much gel on my head right now, so I'm just going to brush this down just so it's smooth. The style I wanted to do did not come out, so that's something we're going to talk about later. So now that I've done that, I'm going to lay my edges. So I cannot lay my edges on camera because I cannot see and my mirror is messing up, so I'm going to lay my edges and then I'm going to tie my hair up and finish up with the rest of the things I want to do, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final results. Okay, hey guys, so now I'm going to attach my ponytail to my hair, and this is the ponytail. It's really long. I wanted a really long ponytail and I made this morning, so I have these two parts. I'm going to explain how I made it in a video where I'm showing you guys how I made the ponytail. So yes, so these two parts is what I'm going to use to attach on my hair, and also the scrunchie. So this is what I'm going to be using on my hair. Now I'm going to take down this. I know it's not dry, but I'm running late, so hopefully it cooperates with me, because if it doesn't it's going to be the funniest thing ever, man. I don't think it's dry. I don't have time, honestly. I really wish I started this thing way earlier. So I'm just going to take out the scarf. Oh, look at my egghead. Let's see, did it work? Kind of. I would say kind of. Yeah, it pretty much worked, but since my curls are always like intertwining with each other, it's not smooth, but I would say it's okay. So now I'm going to work with this section of my hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach this, and then this too I'm going to use that to tie around my hair, if that makes sense. So you guys should just watch me do what I'm doing.
I'm forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all.
Guys, this is what the hair looks like. I love this ponytail. Like, it's so soft. I don't know where I got the hair. I got the hair from a vendor on AliExpress a really long time ago, about last year I think, and it has always been in my hair stash area. So now this is what the hair is looking like. So I'm going to wear my outfit and I'll come and show you guys the final results. Okay? Okay. Hey guys, so this is my final look. I really love this hair, and it's like right above my butt area. I really cannot show you guys the length. I'll try to take a picture and show you guys what the length looks like right now. So right now I'm wearing this really nice pink dress. I've had it for a while, but I never used to wear it. And some heel. I'm going to show you guys the picture. I'm wearing this nice pink dress and this open heel, and then I'm going to go with this bag. Hopefully I might change my mind about the bag, but it's a very simple look I was going for, like simple, chic and classy. I hope that makes sense. I hope I'm talking too much, aren't I? Anyway, so yeah, this is the end of my video. I've come to the end of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to click the like button, click the subscribe button. If you've not clicked the subscribe button by now, what exactly are you waiting for? What exactly are you waiting for? But yes, please click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment if you would try this hairstyle, and let me know what you think of my outfits. Do you think the outfit is nice? And if you want me to do more of this video, let me know in the comment section below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.